Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can unsubscribe to somebody on OnlyFans. But remember, if you bought like a 1-month subscription of somebody, even if you unsubscribe from them, you're not gonna get your money back, alright? So you need to keep that in mind. So to unsubscribe to somebody, if you unsubscribe to somebody, you are not gonna receive content from them and any messages from them, alright? So you need to know that. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to onlyfans.com, which is the official website of OnlyFans. And once you go to onlyfans.com, you can see the profile of the person you have subscribed. So I've subscribed to Nia. So if I want to unsubscribe, I'm gonna click on it. And yeah, if you don't see a subscription box, you can just go on subscription and all the people you have subscribed to is going to be shown over here. From that list, you can choose whom you want to unsubscribe as well. But the person I want to unsubscribe is over here, so I'm going to click on Nia and it's going to take me to her profile. And over here, as you guys can see, I have subscribed to her. That's why it says subscribed. Alright, what I need to do is click on it and it's going to ask me why I'm unsubscribing. Now you can choose a reason from over here, but if you don't want to, you can just choose no specific reason. After you do that, you can see unsubscribe. Just click on it and basically you'll have unsubscribed from Nia. It's asking me to subscribe, as you guys can see. So yeah, that's how simple it is to unsubscribe in OnlyFans. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.